Our Thermador Pro Grand Range has a dial temp gauge. We just installed the stove, but when we turn the oven on, the temp gauge does not move. The digital one shows the temperature, but the dial does not move. Anything we need to do to get it going? The stove is brand new.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. If the oven is heating, the issue is that the gauge is probably broken and will need to be replaced under warranty. Is the oven heating?
Thank you for the response. The oven is heating up. When we preheat the oven, it says in the electronic display that it completes the preheating, so I am assuming it gets to the temperature it reads. Is this common for Thermador ranges? We just started using ours this week. The stove is completely new. I am a bit concerned on the quality.
I suspect this is just a fluke issue. Thermador makes a great product and I would not be too hasty in judging it from this one problem. Anything mechanical, or electronic, is going to fail at some point. That is just the way it is. It was probably broken before installation, or maybe something happened during transit. That is a very heavy product and handling can certainly cause issues. I would call for warranty service and just make sure you get a copy of the warranty repair ticket to keep for your records.
Thank you for your response. I appreciate it. I have heard that Thermador makes quality products, which is why we chose to go with the entire package. But because it's a substantial investment, I wanted to get some insight. I have scheduled a person to come from Thermador to look at the gauge. Thank you again for your help. Please let me know what the next steps in this JustAnswer.com process are.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.